What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video. So right now I'm gonna be on my way to pick up a bed for my truck. I'm very excited. We're gonna be taking the GMC with the trailer because when we get there, we're gonna swap it out. We're gonna throw this one over there and the other bed, throw it in here because it's a step side bed. We don't want to have it on the trailer and driving it around. Those beds are really fragile. That's why we're gonna swap it when we're there.
Aside from my soul, there goes a sight, there goes a sight. Now there goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight from my soul.
Got the tailgate off. My broken pieces from the dash. I had to throw them in the bed, but we're gonna take it down right now. So now I'm moving the truck. Trying to get it as close as possible to the trailer because it's really heavy. So we just loaded up the bed, the tips on this truck. There's a little MagnaFlow. Throw these on the trailer now. Yeah, you could bring the bumper if you want. Got the bed on.
It goes on the inside, right?
Yeah, there you go. You good. We just got the bumper on. So we just loaded up the bumper, tailgate, tied it up. We just finished up bolting up the bed. I was removing the other gas cap with the hose because, as you can see, since it's a step side, the other one's longer, this one's shorter. And obviously, since it's longer, it won't fit right here. So I'm gonna leave it like that for now, but tomorrow I'm gonna swap it in the daytime. Got it right here. I just gotta buy the 2 covers from each side for the bed.
There goes a sight, there goes a sight. There goes a sight from my soul. I think it's always
So I just made it back to Katie. It's kind of hard to talk because they're washing the floor, but here's the truck. This is how it looks. The paint is a little off, but I'm gonna be repainting it like I said. And this is the perfect truck to put it on since the front end is round. When I had my blue truck, I really wanted a step side bed, but since it was a cat eye, the front is squared and the back is round. So I like how this one looks round all around. And like I said, since I'm gonna do the GMC front end, that one is round as well. So it's gonna look really good. And also I gotta get these two. I do have one of them, but some of the clips are broken, so it doesn't really clip on. So I'm gonna have to get another one. So my brother just dropped the Ram today. So here's the Ram. He finally dropped it. I'm sure by the time I upload this video, this one's gonna be up, but it's gonna be on his channel. This truck is filthy. It's just been sitting in the garage for the past few weeks. Been collecting dust. She looks real nice. Haven't drove her in a minute. She's asleep now. What is going on, guys? This is the next morning. We're right here outside moving the trucks and stuff. I'm about to get the day started. I'm not sure why this thing is acting real stupid. It says reduce. I literally haven't drove this truck in a week, maybe a little more. It's just been sitting there. Barely made it up the driveway. I had to push it. I don't know what's wrong with it. So right now I'm on my way to pick up some parts. I found the fenders for my GMC for the front end. Riding in the soon-to-be SS clone. I came in this one because the bed is much bigger than mine. The step side bed basically cuts right here straight, so the fenders don't fit. Picking up a few of them. Just came to get some gas, but right now we're gonna be on the way.
Walk by. I think a fall angel just walk by.
Alright, so you're riding around like me without a radio and you're bored because it's really quiet, you want some music or something, I'm gonna show you how to make a radio in 3 seconds. This is all you gotta do. So you get your phone, put your music up, whatever you're gonna use. I'm gonna use Pandora. Just like that, you're all set. Bumping. Haha.
I think a fall angel just walk by.
I think it's all angels just walk by.
We just made it to the location. Yo, look at this bridge. I had never seen something like this. I had to take the radio out, put it in my pocket. We had to bring this one back because it was broken. So I'm thinking of going with this hood for the GMC. I really like this one. I feel like it really complements the truck and the step side bed. Just that I'm not sure why it looks all sloppy. Like I feel like there's too many cracks and stuff. It looks real sloppy, but that's basically how I want the front end. I'm not sure what chrome I'm gonna leave or what I'm gonna paint red, but we'll see. Real nice, clean V6 though. The sick SS. So both of these white ones are for the GMC, and these two are for this truck, I believe. And we also got the other radiator. This is what was broken on the other one. This one's good. Got another single cab over here. It's all broken down. Got another one. So you can't tell with this tailgate, but this is just like my other one in the middle. It's pushed through the middle, so I was gonna take it, but since I got the step side bed, there's no need for it since I already have a new tailgate, the little one. So I don't gotta worry about buying a new one and painting it. He's asking $11K for the SS. If anybody wants it, let me know. 6.0 gears. Has a whole bunch of stuff done to it. Looks clean. I love that front end. Just throw the tailgate on the bed. That way we won't take it loose. We gotta fix all this crap too, because we don't want these to get dents on the way there. They're all pretty much clean. I think only one of them had a dent. One of the white ones, like right there, little minor dent. So if some of y'all are wondering why we got them used, is because I didn't want to order them online and buy some Chinese parts. So we came to look for these. That way they can be original. Because the Chinese one, not Chinese, but I mean the cheap ones, the black ones, they're real flimsy. Like you just go like this and you can push them in. But either way, the hood that I'm getting for the GMC is gonna be aftermarket. This used to be the spot back in the day. I mean, it still is. I've been coming here since my parents used to bring me here back in the day. So since I was like 5 or 6, I believe. So if y'all from Houston or Northside area, I really recommend it. Come check it out. It's right here on Airline. So there's a little menu. I just got one of these because I'm thirsty. Just want something to drink. It's really hot outside. So this is it. This place is really cheap too. This thing was $1. Let me know in the comments if you've ever been to Flamingo Chill, and if you have, comment down below what you order from there. So this is my dad's 2019, little update on it. They're almost done painting the front end. So they should be done with it, I think, this weekend. They're ready to spray it. And this side didn't need any work, but I believe they sanded all the front end, that way they can blend it. So this is what I was talking about, the fenders. When they're cheap, they're real flimsy, and the way they sound too. We might as well throw in original parts. Do it right the first time. It's gonna look real sick all painted up. We also just ordered the wheels around a week ago, but they're gonna take from 6 to 8 weeks to make them, they told us. So stay tuned for that. It's gonna look real sick. So those wheels that it has on it right now, he's not gonna be keeping them. He just replaced that front wheel because he needed to move it. So right now I'm on my way to my brother's new warehouse. We're 26 minutes away, but it's my first time going. I've only seen it on pictures. It looks real big from the inside. This thing is huge. Some slight, low 30s. I wonder if it's heavy. Yeah, it's heavy. This truck is goals. So we're about to go inside the shop and check it out. This place is huge. So we just made it back home. We were just at the shop. I didn't really pick up the camera. We're just checking out the place, hanging out. Stay tuned on the build. Like I said, I have the fans right here, the electric fans, the radiator, also both of the fenders. Also, I ordered the hood for my black single cab, but I'm not sure what's going on with the mail. It's probably because of the coronavirus, but supposedly it was gonna get here in a week, but I'm just waiting. But that's gonna be it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.
There goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight, there goes